So regarding our aim, that is the joint entrance examination or the JEE main and JEE advanced, we only require the application of this moment of inertia, not the calculation or finding how to find the moment of inertia. This is not required, but I have just shown you how this can be calculated. But we should know for some rigid bodies the moment of inertia, that you have to memorize, because this is required. So for some bodies, I have just here I have shown some bodies for some bodies. So this is for rod about one end. So this is a rod of mass m and its length is L. When it is rotating about its one end, then its moment of inertia is mass into length square by 3, that is ml square by 3. So this is the moment of inertia of a rod when it is rotating about one end. So the rotating about one end, one rod rotating about one end. Now rod about the center, when the same rod rotates about its center, so this is L by 2, there L by 2, so the axis is passing through its center, so then its moment of inertia I is ml square by 12. And if it is a ring, just we have calculated for a ring, and the center is passing through its center of mass perpendicularly, if its mass is m and radius is r, then its moment of inertia is mr square. And for a disc, just we have calculated, so for a disc, if the axis is passing through its center and its mass is m and its radius is r, then its moment of inertia is I is equal to mr square by 2. So these things you have to remember and memorize. So next I will discuss some other bodies. So first you should write it down. So these are the things. Once again you see this. For rod ml square by 3 about one end. For rod about the center is ml square by 12. For a ring about the center is mr square, and for a disc it is mr square by 2. Okay. Now for other bodies.